like our theme song.
Oh yeah, that was me and Luke Carlson back in the day.
Yeah, it's kind of it like makes you feel sort of a, oh, I don't even know what I'm trying to say.
Oh, that's okay. We'll just you know, this part we won't even hear.
Oh yeah, okay.
Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and to my right is the lovely and talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Natasha. Say hello.
BOOZHOO Gakina! Hello everyone! Welcome to the show! If you knew Nana BOOZHOO, then you'd know why I feel blue. My Nana BOOZHOO. I love you, dude, man. I need you, Nana BOOZHOO. I love you, Nana BOOZHOO, with a love so rare and true. My Nana BOOZHOO. I love you, dude, man. I need you, Nana BOOZHOO. Nana BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. Pretty, 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 pretty Nana BOOZHOO. My Nana BOOZHOO. I love you, dude, man. I need you, Nana BOOZHOO. I love you, dude, man. I need you, Nana BOOZHOO. Oh, wow. That's some really good guitar work there, sweetie.
Oh, thank you. And today, you want to do the Ojibwe phrase of the day?
Yeah, sure. Today's Ojibwe phrase of the day. Megwa, o mimi. How do you say cry?
A demo.
Oh yeah. Megwa, o mimi, a demo, when doves cry. And that's the name of the song. All right.
All right. Now I'm just waiting for the song to start. The first part's going to work for sure, though. You know what? You know when I cry? Every time in the Jungle Book, when Mowgli thinks Baloo is dead, and the panther comes down and he's like, "You got to be brave, like Baloo was." Oh, to this day, when I see that, I lose it. Hey, if you're a parent, make sure your kid sees the Jungle Book. Every kid should see that movie. It's a really good movie. If you don't show your kid the Jungle Book, that's child abuse. Hey. No, not really. When's that song gonna come on?
Dig, if you will, a picture of you and I engaged in a kiss. The sweat of your body covers me. Can, my darling, can you picture this? You will, a courtyard, an ocean of violets and blue. Animals strike curious poses. They feel the heat between me and you. Leave me standing alone in a world that's so cold. Maybe I'm just too demanding. Maybe I'm just like my father, too old. Maybe you're just like my mother. She's never satisfied. Why do we scream at each other? This is what it sounds like when doves cry.
Oh, you really sing pretty there, sweetie. When doves cry, make what? Oh, Mimi, a demo. Make what? Oh, Mimi, a demo. When doves cry. And, yeah.
And that's how you do that. All right. Hey, thank you for listening. Miigwech, bisan da wieg. Thank you for listening. And thank you for watching.
Do you remember? Do you remember? Ojibwe I say, for do you remember? Means do you remember? Do you remember?
Yeah, like that.
Oh, that was really good.
Do overture, cut the lights. This is it, the night of nights. No more rehearsing and nursing of parts. We know every part by heart. Overture, cut the lights. This is it, we'll hit the heights. And oh, what heights we'll hit. On with the show, this is it. Na 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 na. Tonight what heights we'll hit. On with the show, this is it. More convenient than a Tesco Express. Close to Windsor, but the property's less. It keeps the businesses of Britain great. It's got London's greatest trading estate. It doesn't matter where you're from. You wanna work, then come along. The station just got a new floor, and the motorway runs by your door. And you know just where you're headed. It's equidistance between London and Reading. Whoa, Slough, my kind of town, I don't know how. Anyone could put you down. Slough, my kind of town, I don't know how. Anyone could put you down. To the west you got Hampton and Brain. You got Hillingdon the other way. It's a brilliant place to live and work. It was Yorkshire, officially it's Perth. Don't believe what the critics say, like it's boring, soulless and grey. See for yourself what you waiting for. We're on Bath Road, that's the A4. And you know just where you're headed. It's equidistance between London and Reading. Whoa, Slough, my kind of town, I don't know how. Anyone could put you down. Slough, my kind of town, I don't know how. Anyone could put you down. my kind of town. I don't know how anyone could put you down. Slough. Whoa, Slough.
Come old flat top, he come, jubed up slowly, he got choo-choo eyeballs, he was roly-poly, he said, I know you, you know me, got to be good looking 'cause you're so hard to see. Come together right now. Ow! On BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO. And, I am Natasha. And this right here is Nana BOOZHOO. Please welcome Nana BOOZHOO.
Thank you very much. Hello, everybody. BOOZHOO. And our Ojibwe word of the day is, of course, because we always talk about this before we start filming. And that is why we're prepared.
What's the word gonna be?
I don't know.
Ah, la 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 la. Why didn't we think about this earlier?
Because we're stupid. All right. Thank you very much. Here's a song I hope you like.
They don't play it no more, but I remember a time in 1984, or maybe 85. They sang the Salvation Army band played, and the children drank lemonade, and the morning lasted all day. But the bitters came out better on a stolen guitar, and now we were blessed like spiders from Mars. The bitters came out better on a stolen guitar, and how we were blessed like spiders from Mars. They say, they say. And he never would have waved goodbye. You could see it written through his eyes as the train rolled out a side of a station. And through an open window came, like Sinatra in a younger days, pushing the clouds away. Came out better on a stolen guitar, and how we were blessed like spiders from Mars. The bitters came out better on a stolen guitar, and how we were blessed like spiders from Mars. They say, they say, they say, they say.
1963, felt like the world would freeze. It's John F. Kennedy and the baseball.
So here we are, drifting on an open sea. Here we are, and then again we know, for all we know,
I know. La la. All right, let's try this.
Hey, little sister, what have you done? Hey, little sister, who's the only one? I let you go for so long. I let you go for so long. I let you go for so long. It's a nice day, white wedding.
Hey, little sister,
What have you done?
Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO,
Nana BOOZHOO,
the podcast
about Ojibwe language,
and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO.
and I am Natasha. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day, Nishime, my little sibling, my like younger brother or sister. Nishime. And if it's your younger brother or sister, you say Gishime. Nishime, my younger brother or sister. Gishime, your younger brother or sister. And this has been
The Ojibwe word
of the day. And we're so close
we can just finish
each other's
sentences. Oh, all right.
Okay then, that's all I had to say. You got anything you want to add here, sweetie?
Oh, I think that's good. Welcome back. And today, I think our Ojibwe word of the day should be Zaga Iriwen. Love.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, I thought you'd like that. Zaga Iriwen. Love. And if you want to say I love you, you say Gizagain. I love you.
Kisakain, sweetie.
All right. That's all I have for today. I will see you again.
Kikawapamin.
Minowa. Hoa.
Oh, that was really good.
Oh, thank you. Want to take off?
Yeah, let's get out of here.
All right. Yeah, I'll see you later.